चलें कन्हैया लाल? तीन लेयरिंग कर रखी है। 3 लेयर बना रखे हैं। अबे ये तेरा ग्लव्स है भाई। मैं वही सोचूं, दोनों मेरे को लेफ्ट हैंड में तुम्हारा। या अल्लाह, आईफोन। क्या क्या भाई, क्या बचा? हाँ
ये क्या बोलते हैं?
उतर के सीधे जाना।
क्या बोलते हैं? ये देख,
क्या?
वहाँ पे ले डाल देते हैं।
हाँ।
ले डाल दिए।
Let's go, Scally. बारिश कभी साथ नहीं छोड़ रहा है। Hello everyone, welcome to the new video and episode 4 of our Ladakh ride. We started this journey from Delhi 3 days ago and now we find ourselves in this beautiful town of Kargil. We arrived here yesterday around 5 pm and after a long day on the road we finally took off our gears. As you might remember, it was raining heavily yesterday, so we spread our gears across the room to dry off. Unfortunately, our rain gear didn't protect us much. In the evening, we went out to explore the local market, grab some food, pick up some essential supplies and things. We actually needed few rubber gloves because our hands were getting cold and jerry can for Kanhaiya for the petrol. I already had mine, but we didn't have one for Kanhaiya and it was too short notice for him to get a new jerry can, so we thought we would pick it up along the way. We got both of these items. The jerry can was not the perfect one, it was plastic, not a steel or an iron one. But I thought it would do the job, hence we took it. If you see the map and the future goal, we were thinking to go from Pangong to Hanle and then to Karu. And in this route there were no petrol pumps at that time, so we had to buy a jerry can and it's close to 500 kilometers if I'm not wrong. Hence we bought the can and we thought it would be suffice, and we thought we would change it in Leh if we find it, but for the time being we just took the plastic one. Then we came back to our room and we started planning for the next day. Apparently I lost my way around here. I was supposed to follow Kanhaiya and I thought he was going the correct way, but after some time I realized I wasn't. I asked a local here and he mentioned that you have to go back, take the U-turn and then take the bridge to the left, but I somehow kind of missed it. I just went straight up ahead. When we left, Kanhaiya had the Google Maps on. I thought I would just follow him, but somehow I missed him in one of the turns. That's why I think I lost track of him. I have to go this way, I was going that way. So I have to take a U-turn and then go back. Finally, I found Kanhaiya. After speaking with him for some time, he was very pissed at me. But I lost my way somewhere around one of the turns. I just was too busy enjoying the view. I had to cross a bridge, take the left and cross the bridge and then go to the other side, but it happens. For today, the plan was to go till Leh. It was a good 210-kilometer stretch, and it went through good towns, good landscapes. We would cross Lamayuru, the moonland in between. So we were planning to travel that entire stretch, and we were planning to reach around evening around 5 p.m. The roads were pretty good. That's what we heard. There were some construction areas in between, but all in all, it was a good road, good sceneries. So we thought we would enjoy our day.
We hoped we were gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way. Bigger than they'd say, now looking at you keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap hotels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movie scenes.
Along the roads, you will find very funny and interesting taglines of BRO, Border Road Organizations. I have tried to put few of the funny taglines in the video. I think you might enjoy it. So whenever you see something like a bro tip, that means BRO board has been put up there, and there is a very funny tagline on it. If you have also been to Ladakh and you have seen or spotted these BRO taglines, do mention in the comments, especially the ones which you find are very funny.
For realizing my own dreams and taking care of you and me. I knew we were always gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way. Bigger than they'd say, now looking at you keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap hotels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movie scenes along the roads in Tennessee. Dreaming of what we could be from the back of your dad's red truck. Those days we were invincible. Splitting up would be unthinkable. Though at times it made me cynical, I wouldn't change a single thing. 'Cause you gave me you keep me going back to those days, incapable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap motels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movie scenes along the roads in Tennessee. Dreaming of what we could be from the back of your dad's red, from the back of your dad's red truck.
While we were having dinner at a restaurant, we met a guy who was doing Kanyakumari to Leh on a bicycle, and it was his last leg. He was going to Leh the next day. I'm not sure where he would stay because it was 210 kilometers, but he was in his 60s. He retired and he was like, I did not travel in my youth days, so I'm planning to travel now. We were pretty inspired by that guy. So we met him, we had a dinner with him. We reached Mulbekh and wanted to have some breakfast. We were riding continuously from Kargil and it was almost an hour and we were starving. Mulbekh is a very small town while you were going towards Leh. It has a lot of folklore stories, many small stories. Maybe we'll discuss one of those in the upcoming videos. If you do want to listen to them, do consider subscribing to this channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like this type of content.